In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a USB installation key of macOS. You need to perform 3 easy steps to achieve this. Step 1 is to download macOS image on your Mac computer. Step 2 is to prepare a USB key which is 32 GB or more. You need to erase it on your Mac computer. Step 3 is to create the USB media installation on this USB key. I'm gonna walk you through all these steps. Let's start with step 1, which is downloading the macOS image. I am demonstrating here on macOS Catalina, but this also applies to other macOS versions. Open App Store on any macOS computer, and in the search box type Catalina and press enter. Click on View, and then click on Get. Now you have to click on Download, and the downloading of the Catalina installation package begins. It's a pretty big download. It's about 9 GB. So I'm gonna cut this video and come back when the download finishes. And now the download finished. You receive this message when the download finishes. Just minimize the window and then also close this window and this window too. And you need to close the installation program. So right click on it and choose Quit, and then click on Finder just to make sure that the installation package was downloaded. And under Applications in Finder, you see that Install macOS Catalina is downloaded. Now we arrive at step 2, which is preparing a USB key 32 GB or more. Make sure you use a USB key that doesn't have information you need, because it will be completely wiped. So insert the USB key in your Mac computer. It will appear on the upper right corner as you see. Now we need to erase it. Click on Go, and then click on Utilities, and we need to start the disk utility, so start it. And here make sure you are selecting the right USB key because it will be erased as I said before. So select it and then click Erase and give it a friendly name. I kept it on USB, and make sure macOS Extended Journal is selected as format, and then click Erase. The operation will not take long. When it's finished, click on Done and close everything. So let's do step 3 now, which is creating the USB installation media. Open the terminal window and then key in sudo space. Click on Finder. Click on Applications. Right-click Install macOS Catalina and choose Show Package Contents. Double-click Contents and then double-click Resources. And you see here Create Install Media. Click on it and drag it to the terminal window. It will put the command for you automatically. At this stage here we can close this one. Hit the right arrow key on your keyboard. After this command, key in --volume space, and the USB key here, click on it and drag it to the terminal window also. It will write the volume of the USB key directly. So here, hit the arrow key on your keyboard, and then all you have to do now is to key in no interaction. When everything is keyed in, as you see, just hit enter. It will ask you for your password. Key in your password, and the operation starts. First, it will erase the disk, as you see, and then it will start copying the information to the disk to create a bootable installation macOS USB key. As you see, the USB key name changed. It's now called Install macOS Catalina. The operation is pretty lengthy, so I'm gonna accelerate this video and I'll come back when the operation finishes. It is finalizing now by copying the boot files, and now the installation media is available on the USB key. you get the message as you see. Let's check it out. So I double click the USB key, and here's the install macOS Catalina on the USB key. The operation took about 7 minutes to finish. Now you can take this USB key and start any Mac computer with it and use it to install macOS Catalina on it. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.